Master Tom. Yan, full contact.
Sa pool yata eh. Sa pool yata eh.
Hilutin mo yung ribs, baka bumaloktot na.
Hindi, ano muna. Para makita.
Okay, go.
Next step sparring.
Balik. Backwards. Through.
Slow mga mag-free. Okay. Kayo muna. Pag nakaline kayo, listen up! Don't move, don't talk. Pag nakaline kayo, tayo lang yan o ready stand. Main thing about Kung Kado, martial arts, di ba? You have to have discipline. You have to learn how to listen good. Kasi when you're learning, kahit sa bahay, sa school, ano ginagamit mo? Tenga. Right? You can hear stuff. Right? May nag-welding, nagkakat. You can hear motor sa labas. But, you should be listening to the one that's important. Your teacher, your master. When they speak, you listen. But you can hear other things, but the idea is to have listening skills. When your mom, your dad, diba, they talk to you, learn how to listen. Not just hear them, listen. Pagka I ask you a question, you say, "Yes, sir!" Understand?
Yes, sir!
I can't hear you.
Yes, sir!
Good. So, tayo, don't move. Don't worry about sweat. Everybody's sweating. Look at me. Alright? So, paano ba? Attention. Attention! Paano kaya? Paano attention? Kami, thumb. Ready sila. Attention. Attention! Guard. Okay, hold. Good. So, when you go on guard, everybody has to step out left. Okay? Do it again. Hold. Out. Good. Right, one more. Okay, do it again. Guard. Out. Right, hold. Good. Kaliwa. Step to the left. Ito yung left. If your master's here, he's gonna go this way. Ito yung left, di ba? When you're facing that way, dito. Para your one, unison. Your movement has to be, you're not supposed to move. Don't move. Okay? Show your discipline. Again. Guard. Good. Left. Have a seat. Yes, sir! Okay. In your everyday life, ha? Binabalik, like your shoes, right? Ilalagay mo sa isang lugar, pag kailangan mo, you can use it. Alam mo, or you can get it. Understand?
Yes, sir!
Alright. Punching to the face. First two knuckles, in the bridge of your nose. punch yung yell sa last punch. Demonstrate. Got it?
Yes, sir!
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 3 punch. You say, Kungkado. Yes, yes. Kungkado. Okay? Ready? Loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay, attacking somebody's baba or chin. Okay? Ready? 1. That's it. So you don't have to punch like this. Kasi if you're not developed, your fist is gonna hurt. Sometimes you have to hit them with your open hand para hindi ma-hurt yung hand mo. Kasi you don't want to look like you punch somebody, go, bah! You don't do that. Sometimes you wanna
Grand.
Ready? 1, 2,